You know, so me kind of see why Vibes Cartel did eat massacre did eat Alkaline from Alkaline boss. Me see why. Me see why Vibes Cartel did eat Alkaline from Alkaline boss. From Alkaline boss him body, no?
A few moments later.
This is a message to the Gaza fans them. Gaza fans, if you can go white and white from now.
2,000 years later.
So a man them say, and this he come down to, woman a get disrespect, left, right and center, belittlement, from a man who claim to say, he miss this and he miss that.
One eternity later.
Chronicler. Chronicler said them a take set on him.
And your father wave, you're right off. What would we can't congratulate for nothing. We can't say he's a new artist. What new artist? And if you're the high school, you try boss. And all you ride off for your father wave, you cannot boss.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
People who are going, you don't know one Media Fox pan up, you know. Yeah, man, a mad thing, man. You see me? So, J Progress have a thing to say an idea. You see it? Yeah, man, a bag of things are going. You see me? Likkle Addi run on me. See a brother rush Likkle Addi and all of them things that a Vice Cartel, son. And bag of things, so. But I'm going to know what I want, people. Tune in.
So my people, me go take it up for myself. And I play one mix with some old Massacre and some old Alkaline. I mean I play the mix them and I tell you say all Massacre 1, 2, 3 and all them little song there. And I say
Massacre 1, 2, 3. J Progress, what you talk about? No, me G. Massacre na sing that song near 1, 2, 3, me dog. Alkaline that, brother. What you make? What you listen to, dog? I can't, man. Massacre na them type of hit song there, brother. We are mash up a place after 13 years. No, me G. No. And I'm Massacre sing that, me G. Wrong information.
You know, so me kind of see why Vibes Cartel did eat Massacre did eat Alkaline from Alkaline boss. Me see why. Me see why Vibes Cartel did eat Alkaline from Alkaline boss. From Alkaline boss him body, no? From Alkaline boss. Vibes Cartel as a musician could have tell say that boy when I go great. And him a go be my rival. But EO Alkaline will never end up be Vibes Cartel rival now. If Vibes Cartel then get him, if big him up as the man we ma follow, and that never happen.
Yeah, man, I'm always tell people say a true Alkaline great. That's why them compare me with Cartel. You understand? If Alkaline was like an artist like where we just do him do and just fall off after and I see him here or the next year, they wouldn't want to claim him to Vice Cartel. They wouldn't have no reason. You understand? I true the youth, great, talented. That's why when Vice Cartel found out from prison, him say them did want a next Vice Cartel, so them get one. So him attack Alkaline. And that's why, you know, true the youth, great, because him see say the youth talent. And this is the thing, you know. Vice Cartel put him in him name with or call up with Alkaline, especially when Alkaline in the new generation. That are gonna keep him relevant. You understand? So that's why everything theme name call up with. Cause remember, you know, Alkaline, nobody never cut him key. And the youth impactful with the music. You understand? So anybody where I do great things, especially in the new world where them see, them I go compare him to Cartel. You understand? But Alkaline is a different artist from Vice Cartel. Because if you see it right now, Cartel upon me that everything everybody know in my life. Alkaline is not like that person there. You understand? What them use, them try to copyright with controversy. Nobody know one controversy and that them try to use. You understand? But if Alkaline, me see enough man do a try look like Cartel or trim warrior with Cartel. Cage, other artists do it. But if I hear them a compare him with Cartel and I say this and that, no. Because them youth then really gone away in them career. Alkaline create a different part. So that's why you see them do it every day. If Alkaline put in the contact lens and and fall off, Them would not call Alkaline names every day. But you are the youth success. And that's why, you know. You understand? And them never see what artist move, so especially is a youth where not to the social media and in everybody face or what's the ever based on physical being. You have to look if you see them youth, the real superstar. You understand? So I just that. You see me, Cartel say him have them they want a next vice cartel like how him go prison. So them get one, which is Alkaline, but him end up and say he's not a fan. So that for sure say yo, him kinda in a little feeling this. Okay, if you say them get a next you, why say I tell the people them say you're not a fan of yourself then? You understand? I just that because academics tell him say yo, them say Alkaline into, but them a use controversy that them a use, you know. You understand? And you talent. Cause them a say yo, them never know so them could have come find an next talented artist like Cartel. That type problem. You understand? I just say talent. Cause look how much artists out there come do something. And them never to compare. But I just say talent with the youth have. You understand?
So Alkaline forever be that top tier rival there. But yeah, the trick now, Vibes Cartel draft massacres and the young gun were wicked. The only one we could have shoot down Alkaline if he come down to it. I would have be a wicked lyrical face off with Massacre and Alkaline. Vibes Cartel now realize say him Massacre too bad. And I know me I give Massacre song when him want it. The boy I can write, him have flow and him have delivery. And him now wait for me if he give him no point of a drop it song. And then everything when him drop a hits. But guess what? Vibes Cartel no want no more giant side of him.
Yo, sometimes I have a laugh in a dog. People, to be honest, this everything when Massacre drop a hits like, man I know you know, you see it? You're telling me say every song when Massacre sing is a hit song. But when he perform this song on stage, you wonder if it's a new song or what. Me not understand, you know. You understand? Me never see them say this about a next artist. We say every song the artist drop is a hit song. That now make no sense. I'ma feel like una make things bad for the artist when him go they go perform these songs. Yeah man, this every song him drop a hit song. Come on. Every artist out there in the world drop song and every song them drop a hit song with G. You understand? So I don't know how Massacre, if Massacre did that drop hit songs, so brother. Trust me, it would be a different outcome when it comes to if someone shows them. You understand? And people would not sing along. You see it? But you assess so though.
So what him try to do? Him try to style for Massacre. Cut off him 2 foot, they make him crawl on him knee. But it never work out. Massacre realized the play, thanks to Jashi. And look where it is now. See there? Massacre career no fall off. Cause Massacre loved out here in the street. Just like Alkaline. None of them can hurt Massacre fan base or Alkaline fan base. No day, no time. But we shall see what go happen now, my people. Believe.
But you have to remember, say, he was just a member, you know. Massacre was over the Gaza, you know, my G. You see me? So him kind of gain some fans over there, so. You see me? Alkaline been having fans from the get-go, the vendetta. You understand? Yeah, so Alkaline fan base different from Massacre fans, bro. You see me? It different, my G. I tell you, way far different. You see me? Cause since me see the Massacre fall out and I see some people, you know? Yeah. I fall out and I think, but I don't think Massacre fans can compare the Alkaline fans, my G. Yeah, man. No, none of that, my G. You see it, so. I just one of them thing there. Cause I remember say one time Massacre that link with the Gaza and you see me, Massacre was there, I try throw some shots off or some subliminal off Alkaline. You see me? While him over at Gaza, what him say, yo, me say some boy talk about gully vendetta. You see me, a Gaza genocide. You see it, so I don't know right now. You see me, and to me, Alkaline a bigger artist. For sure of that. You see me?
This is a message to the Gaza fans then. Gaza fans, if you can go white and white from now, I have some things to drop. I have been busy for the past couple of days. But let me tell you something. All when me busy, information no stop reach me. First and foremost, Vibes Cartel, me see you or you disrespect the female. Regardless of what kind of female she is, or who she is. Disrespect to a female is disrespect to a female. You have data, don't? And mind you, Vice Cartel, how would you feel if you were standing across the street and hearing another man dealing with your daughter like that because of whatever your daughter did or whatever your daughter said? How would you feel? What would be your reaction then?
I know I worst thing people. When I see a video with the man in a dog, yo. The man all spit and yo, the man a diss up a girl wicked, you know. All the girl asks him, man, you know, where is Sidem? Jaja, yo, the mate say, get the man in your feelings, brother. And I know them look a simple thing, I get the man in your feelings, dog. Jaja. You can't depend on the internet, bro, and your feelings so weak. You see me? Especially you depend on the, I don't know how the man did that trace. Especially you can't see the girl, but the man did that trace. Tell the girl something mad and me I say, oh, Jaja. Waste man she have and I say, bro, Jaja dog, you think you're more militant with them thing, G. You see it? Yeah, man. But people, you heard your progress, I say no.
Respect woman. Vice Cartel, I think I kind of know why the question get you so agitated and so boisterous and so dark and mad and ignorant. Vice Cartel, where is Sidem? But don't worry, I will break it down to the people. We no stay tuned.
So a man them say, this come down to woman a get disrespect left, right and center, belittlement from a man who claim to say he miss this and he miss that. But let me tell you something, Vibes Cartel. You better if you did that do gun song same way, brother, and don't disrespect woman, brother. Because I think me said that something to you already, you know. You see, if you have some little fly batty girl where they run you, around a little money, or you have some little batty years where you can post up in a video every day and say this and that and just back at you because of your money. You see, enough of them women nowadays, brother. Enough of them are them one go getter. And them not take shit from the man. We see the little batty years one them we have. They make you feel like you can spit, shit, piss pan woman and do anything where you feel like. And because of money, yes. And you have the little sheep them back at you and make be nice and I defend you. Oh, I don't get it. Some of these men we say Gaza, them have daughter, them have sister, they have mother, they have wife, and sit down and watch Vice Cartel if a girl is there in front of you that do spit in her face.
Yo, I don't know any dog. Yo, I don't know, brother. Come like man thin skin, brother. You can't be thin skin and up on the internet, you know, people. Anything with chiga in my G. You understand? Enough time a day I may have vlog and you know some people may not like whatsoever and take something in a comment and this and that. But just look on it as support, you know. At least them I watch a video. And I skip the ads them and you know, and them I comment. You see me? So me just treat as yo, them as supporters them. Cause them I watch a video and I listen what I go on. You understand? So I not go disrespect them and comment after them and tell them about SYM and all of them thing there. But just treat them as supporters. So if the girl asks Vice Cartel say, yo, where is Sidem? It could be a fan who love Sidem. And she just asks, but it's like it trigger the man. You understand me? I tell the people, yo, man, this up a girl, this up the girl. Me I say, yo, Jaja youth. Me I tell the people, but I say it go, you know. You know? I just a man that people look up to, but if it's the right personality, is it? Because the reaction them G. You see me? It make no sense, my dog. He could have deal with better. Could have addressed better. You see me? It's just as simple. It's not like me understand if she did diss him up. You see me? And them team could have understand. But she just asked to see them. And the man start crash out. Me I said, Jaja youth.
Just because she asked if you see them, you're insecure about see them because you know you're not treat see them good. But hold on. Me soon make waffy job. Hold on.
Chronicler. Chronicler says them take set on him. He's being targeted. Chronicler, you know how much dancehall artists live in Florida? Just a simple question, Chronicler. What would be the reason for an American police to target you?
And that I always say now. Why this is the thing. If you not do nothing wrong, if you not get caught up in a certain things, right? Or if you not have certain energy around you, no police not no time for your target MG. Something of it dead there. You understand? Hear them go hear something or whatsoever. See? if you're not there now, if you're not the place where you're not with there, nobody can see and say, yo, what you them see this or rare, me G. Sometimes when you put yourself in a situation and make yourself a target. You understand? When you put yourself, when you make get bad name and all of them thing there. You understand? Because I think them say some probation or something. Police a target and all of them thing there. Because I remember them they have him in a jail with the and thing and let him out. I don't really know what's going on with the case, but brother, once you put yourself in a certain situation, you're not gonna always be a target in the G. Police are gonna watch you, you know. You understand? Look on FIFA Mafia. Look what happened with him right now. Yeah, the man just forward out and the man them a chat down the man phone and a listen everything and all of them look at something and him never know. Cause why? The man still caught up in this thing. You understand? If you not do certain things, nobody not gonna target you know. You see me? Yeah man.
You of all person. Think about it. Chronicle, I will say something to you. Birds of a feather flock together. Show me your company and I'll tell you who you are. When you say you want to roll and par with murderers and killers and gangsters. So you tell me now, as the front runner who would be in that clique, because if you are the artist, you are the popular one. It doesn't matter who you are par with and you are lead out. You still feel like you're being targeted. Chronicler, shift up your circle. Walk the straight and narrow. Not have a certain man around you and see if the game not change. Brother, you're not targeted, man. You just put yourself in a position at the spot where criminals and people who are meant to be in jail should be. You always do it. So don't be surprised when police will lamp on you because you put yourself there and you love being there.
Yeah man, that facts. He put himself there so nobody now put him in a nothing G. You understand? But that brother you got to him forward out of the man, boy. Man I say something about Vice Cartel son, Likkle Addi. You understand? But here we go on.
To be honest, what we need to congratulate you for, when you already know a nepotism at the highest level, you call it what it is, you already know it's nepotism at the highest level, and your father wave, you're right off. But we can't congratulate you for nothing. We can't say you're a new artist. What new artist? And if you're the high school, you try boss. And all you right after your father wave, you cannot boss. Because we, as the Jamaican people, in Jamaica and the diaspora, we know you're not no talent.
Jano, dog, Jano. You see me? Yo, if them see me as an artist where we know how the politics going at the Caribbean Music Awards. You understand? Friend thing, all of them little thing there. You see me? Man I know them say I'm the new artist. You see me? I guess some string pull and everything. Man I go really beat on a youth, you know, if them want game and thing, but new artists, me not sure about that. Me don't know if Likkle Addi of this new artist car. Him might sing song with Popcorn. There's so many songs them been at the music. So me don't know the new artist and him not boss big in a dancehall yet. You understand? Him not established. What you mean by established artist where him a do a bag of bookings like no promoter reach out with them bag of bookings. You understand? Them not really have a catalog. Them not have 2, 3, 4, 5 hit song. You understand? So the new artist thing, I'm not sure about that. You see me, because them do music long time. But you know the politics come and go already. A Vice Cartel that, so you know. And people out there listen to them music and things, so but we don't know that go already. That's just politics. You see me? Yeah, but if him get in the category or in the list, I really bash him for that, you know. You see me, youths are youths, you know. If they give him a thing, give him a thing. He might do music. But the new artist thing, I don't think so. You see me?
We know you're not no talent. I will not eat against you. I will not eat against your father. The truth of the truth. You call a spade a spade. You don't have no talent. Look at it. It's just the truth. It's nepotism. Show me one hit song. Look at it. He might have a couple songs on internet stream. Internet stream. And I hit song them there. God, outside of the internet, them now matriculate into the party or whatever. Look at him and nepotism. You're not no talent. Go find something else in the music.
No, dog. Ja, people. But, boy, I'm not know what to say, people. I say go. You see me? I kind of see the type of topics of songs. And yes, you know, them sings, you know, in a dancehall, most of the artists them rise out of the ghetto and the ghetto relation and all of them little thing, they see me, and the fighting, the struggles, all of them thing. You know, the songs that them a sing, it not really relatable to the you see me, the poorer set of people them where I try get out of some struggles and all of them. Cause them mostly sing about diamond watch, money, rich, girl, this, that, like them not really do like, you know, a reflection of, you know, ghetto youth we have found out of the slum and them look at thing there. You know, them born in a riches, so mostly that them are gonna really sing about. Them not really know about poor life. So it's like them put out a lot of songs, but it not relate to the average. I remember in Jamaica have a higher percentage in poor people. So if you not put songs that related to that market, the other people them, it not gonna really connect like that. Especially when you are forward as an artist when new and young. You see me? Yeah man, I say go. Cause you don't know how poor people mostly support things most of the time. You see me? Like regularly and thing. So I just one of them thing the people. You see me? Them a do them thing, them a do them song and all that. Youth them. I guess I don't know how long now them a do music a long while now, so I don't know. I say go, not because them father the music means them a gonna become great like them father. Them just a do music just for the music. You understand? And them grew up in the riches, so you know that go. Them not gonna relate to the bigger mass, to the ghetto youths them were far out of the slum. You see me? Yeah man, and show the pain and suffering and thing. But I just one of them thing there. You see me? Let's see what go win the new artist of the year, if them or the other artists them will get nominated. You understand? But you don't know the politics already. I just say award show. That's why I not really pre the award show them, because some joke category and sometimes when you see some people in a list, you say, oh, like really? But I one of them thing the people, I just dance corruption. You know that go already. Big up on yourself. You don't know one media fox upon your app. You see me? That is it.